In today's world, we use many different services to manage our lives. In this course, we'll discuss how to set up and use popular cloud storage services from Apple, Google, Dropbox, Microsoft, and Amazon, and what it costs. Today's technology relies on a strong cloud infrastructure to keep us connected, and this reliance will be increasingly important in the future. Our devices are transitioning from depending on local storage, where files and media can only be accessed on the same device, to cloud storage, where any of our files or media can be accessed on any device anywhere. While this course mainly focuses on using Apple technology, keeping files and media in the cloud is no longer a computer or operating system dependent. This means that using cloud services offers you the ability to access your information from any device that can connect to the internet via a web browser anywhere in the world. By the end of this course, you'll understand the future of computing and be a confident user of cloud-based storage and services. This course was developed by the MaxPOS team of experienced Apple technology instructors. This online course is very similar to the Demystifying the Cloud class we offer at our retail location in downtown Denver. Please feel free to contact us with any additional questions or suggestions as you make your way through. Now, let's get started. In today's world, we use many different services to manage our lives. In this course, we'll discuss how to set up and use popular cloud storage services from Apple, Google, Dropbox, Microsoft, and Amazon, and what it costs.